Hello, friends. I hope you're doing great. Welcome to another amazing walk from Iran. This is Fin Garden in the city of Kashan, Isfahan province. In this garden, there is a famous bathhouse where an important event took place, which we'll see later, and I'll tell you its secrets. This garden was built during the Safavid era and later, during the Qajar era, some parts were added to it. The garden's water supply system is very advanced. Streams and fountains work with natural pressure. The designer of the water supply system was the famous 10th century mathematician Ghiyath al-Din Jamshid Kashani, who used the principle of water level difference and the natural slope of the land 200 years before Pascal. If you found the video interesting so far, please don't forget to like. Most of the garden's trees are centuries-old cypresses, many of them between 100 and 470 years old. Inside the garden, there are two historic bathhouses, one small Safavid bath and another large Qajar bath. The most famous historical event here is the assassination of Iran's Prime Minister Amir Kabir, who was killed in this bathhouse in 1851 by order of Nasser al-Din Shah. The small bath was built for the servants, and the large bath was for nobles and important people. The main sections of the bath include the dressing room, the hot chamber, and the reservoir. Please leave your comments for us. The bath's floor has heating channels called gorbe-ru, cat paths, which carried both heat and smoke. The walls of the bathhouse were insulated with sarouj, a traditional mortar, and lime to prevent moisture from penetrating the structure. Dear friends, now that you've made it this far in the video, please subscribe and don't forget to like. Buddies, we're waiting for your comments. The area of the garden is about 23,000 square meters, surrounded by tall walls and towers, and it is registered on the UNESCO World Heritage List. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell so you can watch our next videos too. Thank you for watching with love and for being with us. Goodbye.